Sitka, Alaska is in the southeast of Alaska. Sitka is located on Baranof Island. We're part of the ABC Islands, Admiralty, Chichikov, and then you got Baranof here. Sitka, by landmass, is the largest city in the entire US. It's 25 miles wide by 100 miles long. We average around 12.5 to 13 feet of rain a year. We are in a temperate rainforest here, actually. We're in a really strange part of Alaska. This isn't the typical Alaska that you think of. We don't experience that total darkness. We do get dark when we get towards the end of the year. It's only 7 hours of daylight, but it's just a different climate here. There's so much potential that Sitka offers outside of fishing. It's a place for adventure seekers.
For me, it was, I want to work hard and get to where I want to go so I can ultimately have freedom. I finally figured out that it wasn't really money, it was freedom that I wanted. I wanted to be able to do what I wanted to do and what I'm passionate about doing, because life is too short to not do something that you love doing.
Welcome to Wild Strawberry Lodge. Come here for the party. Bottom's about 240, 250 we're playing in. Got some halibut sitting down there.
Bait's up high off the bottom, they go to eat the bait. Yeah. And then when they try to swim back down to the bottom, that circle hook does its job, it just sets itself.
They're down there. We just gotta find them. Nice little brown there.
You know, everyone has their own favorite fish, right? For me in saltwater, my obsession is halibut. I do love catching salmon. I do love catching lingcod rockfish, but I have a terrible obsession to target halibut that I cannot cure with any amount of fishing. Awesome fish, good way to start our day halibut fishing. That's a good one. All right.
Nice work.
Thank you.
I always felt like in my life and my career that I was meant for something bigger. And I wasn't really sure what that was, but I knew that someday that I would find it if I just trusted myself and followed my heart and followed my passion. I had a pretty long sales career, and the more I did that, the more I realized that if I just worked harder than everyone in the room, I could have whatever I wanted.
When we want something, we're the individuals that just go get it. Benjamin Franklin said that diligence is the mother of good luck, and I think that's true.